My name is Natalie. I'm the new president of Aqua, New Jersey, and we're in the water industry, and we are in summer, and the best part of summer is swimming in pools.
There you go, perfect. Perfect, there you go. We're out here at our Sawmill Summer Camp. We have over 500 campers with us this summer. We're very excited to have partnered with Aqua, New Jersey. Through that partnership, we're able to provide kids with the life-saving skills of swimming lessons and safety around water.
Here at the Y, they really do have a family experience and a family feel. They also teach life-saving lessons. These swim lessons are imperative for any person to know, especially our young generation. And here in Aqua, being in the water industry, we are happy to be able to donate and give back to a program that really gives and cares so much about their young children all the way up through their adults.
Last year alone, we provided over 2,600 swim lessons to children in our community. 600 of them were free, going to underserved communities that otherwise wouldn't have that opportunity, and it's because of organizations like Aqua New Jersey that care about what we do, care about our community, and support us with amazing funding to do the great things that we do here.
Good job.